And hey guys, Teen Fashion Tips here. So we're just in the middle of exam season, so I decided that a quick little video about passive income. So you've heard it all for earning money for doing nothing. Now, it sounds too good to be true, and the truth is, it is. Any person who says that you can get passive income without an investment, or they have a secret, is not going to make you money. There's only a couple ways that you can actually earn passive income, but they require previous investment. The first would be dividend stocks. This is a very, very long-term goal. If you want to invest in dividend stocks, there are certain tickers such as SPY or VOO, which pay somewhat of a low dividend, and other stocks such as AT&T, which pay a higher dividend. These stocks will at least earn you a little bit of income on what you invest. To earn a lot, so you would quit your job, is an immense amount that you shouldn't do that, but free money is free money. The second would be staking cryptocurrency. Now this is really advanced, and I suggest you look up more YouTube videos on this, or I will make some later if there is actual interest. This is essentially loaning out your cryptocurrency and earning a percentage back, like when the bank loans out your money. It's similar to that. Now, there's also a third and fourth passive income opportunity, but again, these are really hard to achieve. The third is YouTube. Now, it would be the same thing as me making a channel and sitting here. Currently, I'm not earning any money. I'm not sponsored, I don't get anything, I get barely any views. I don't earn money. So, if you build an audience, you can transfer that into products. And that transfers into number 4, which is affiliate marketing. If I have an audience, such as the bigger channels, and they buy with my code, I get money from you buying that. So say if you save 10% on something, I get that 10%. This is really hard to do, and you need to build an audience first. So the only ways you can actually earn passive income is through dividend stocks, cryptocurrency staking, or YouTube. All of these require work, but cryptocurrency requires knowledge, stocks requires a little bit of knowledge but more so time, and YouTube requires both time and knowledge to get to the number 4, which is affiliate marketing. So I know this was confusing. If you want me to go more in depth in any of these topics, I have no issue doing that. Leave a comment, we'll see how it goes. Thank you guys for watching, and it's Teen Fashion Tips here again to help, just making sure you got money in your bank account at the end so you can invest in better clothing, better skincare, or buy one of the TMF products. So thank you guys for watching.